Alien X.
Alien X, yes. And we need to dissect the alien to save the 100.
Wow, dissect the alien.
Nah.
Okay, so now let's unbox. Where is the... This is the
what
Alien
the-
X.
Yes, that's the Alien X. But
But
as you can see at the back,
what?
you
What
can
you
see
The-
the eyes glowing.
Oh.
But really, if you do this, you cannot see the eyes.
Oh,
The white.
I see. I cannot see, I see. So, how do we unbox this one, JJ? There is. So guys, be careful with scissors.
I got calculated, but
Really? When? When you what? When you were?
Nanilito ka ng mga cross.
Cross?
Cross.
Cross for the Easter.
Yeah.
What kind of cut? Oh, teka. Pakita natin din sa camera. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
We are surgeons!
Whoa, guys!
Wow!
This is the...
You're kind of gross out.
Yeah! Pakita mo doon. Oh, so... Yes! That's a spider ba yan?
It's like a spider,
Alien
huh?
spider.
Alien. Oh.
So let's take this off.
Yes, that's trash. Whoa!
Whoa!
I have to stick
What's the
it.
instructions, LJ? We don't know yet. What's this?
I know how to do it because I saw Turbo Toy Time unbox this.
Shout out to Turbo Toy Time.
Yes.
This one.
This. We need the instructions.
Is that the, you showed to the camera the...
This
what's that?
is the tool.
That's the instrument for dissecting.
Yes. First, we need to.
I think this is the instruction. This is the instruction, guys. So many from 1 to 26. And then remove the operating tool. Then using the tool, cut open the alien stomach. Ay! Dapat nandito lang. Tama ba yan? So, wait. Look. Okay, cut open the alien stomach to reveal the rib cage.
Oh, it's so hard. I can't even do it.
Dapat pala i-let them see. Wait. Alam ko na, LJ.
I'm just gonna say off camera, okay?
Yeah. Now, I'm
Okay.
focused to the what? Alien.
Yes.
I will read the instructions.
Okay, off camera, we did this. I think on
No,
camera.
it's
or
on. It's on. It's
Oh,
recording.
It's off.
Okay.
It's on.
We are at number 4.
What?
Remove the alien's rib cage. Ganyan ba yan?
Yeah.
Grabe. Kailangan pala butasin talaga. Careful, ah.
It's hard. There. Is it nice? Is it hard? It's hard. I've been thinking of this good time. Okay, let me do this. What?
Kailangan tanggalin to eh.
No, you're supposed to just like that lang, Daddy.
Ha? Hindi, patanggalin to.
Hindi, dapat ganyan lang. I think.
Ganyan lang ba?
Sa Turbo Toy Time. But then it will cut.
Oh. So next, number 5. Remove the alien's rib cage to reveal the intestines. Yeah! until they break away from the alien's body. Squeeze the intestines to reveal critters and accessories. So, teka lang. I-show mo sa camera.
This is the east.
What's that?
I don't know.
Intestine.
I forgot. You need to squeeze something out.
Maybe this one, no?
Yes, I think. Because I'm a surgeon.
Yeah.
That was alien. What the?
Alien blood! Wait.
No! This happened! Daddy! Look what happened! I have alien things all over me!
Wow! Wow! It's squeezy!
Okay.
Oh.
So then yung mga critters, diba? Place and store intestine slime in specimen bag provided. Now, can we open the cup to examine some tests? Like this one. Okay, this one. Can you follow this one? Okay, just put this one.
Oh. It's water! Yeah. I think I'm pushing. Let it go again. Let it out. Oh! Just let it water.
Oh, yan.
Orbeez! Yeah!
Kailangan din, no? Rescue the hunter.
Ah!
Examine the contents. And then you find this one. Discover the hunter's weapon inside the gut sack. Crack open the alien skull.
Whoa!
Yan, ganda yan.
Skull!
Okay. So let's remove this one first. So what did you get? You show them what did you get inside the guts.
I got the hunter
And the...
that I like him.
Yeah.
Oh no! It broke! But there. And this is his weapon. A laser gun, I think.
Okay, give me the Orbeez first. Go to the other stuff.
I guess you just... I think you just...
What's that?
The skull.
It's the brain. Remove the alien's brain from its skull.
You show the brain.
Show sa camera. Split open the alien's brain to discover its power source. You should find the power source there.
This is the power source. I don't know what is it called. But I think it's glow in the dark because every glow in the dark toy has like green stuff. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's glow in the dark.
Okay, what's the next step, Daddy?
Did you find the glow in the dark plasma cell?
I think this is the plasma cell.
Yes, that's it. Usually.
This is the plasma cell.
Or the ultimate gem power cell. Ito. This one or this one?
This one. The plasma cell.
Plasma. Reattach the alien's rib cage.
Reattach?
Yes, you put it back.
Okay.
The rib cage, dapat tanggal. Here. Pwede mo LG.
I think this is the top. I don't know how to do that. Why are we putting back it? I like the brain. So this is the brain. And they split open the brain.
Attach gun mount into alien's back. Where's the gun?
And this is the little pieces that I cracked. It's just great. As you can see before I opened the wreckage. Oh, it's like I can do this. It's up, down, low. Up, down, low. That's cool. So we're just waiting for mommy to get out the, what is it called? The gun mount. So we need to wait. My favorite is the brain. Because we need to split open the brain. Brain. We need to. Ah! Daddy ako. Daddy da. Ah!
Wow.
It's like a mash of a pig and a spider at the same time. Because the nose is like a pig. Okay, where does this go? Here? No. Yes, I think yes. I think he's holding it. Do you think he needs to hold this? No, I think.
Nalagay mo na yung weapon. Place weapon into the gun mount. Assemble parts from intestines to create steering wheel.
Intestines. Yes, that's what I did.
Okay, alien. That's Hunter. And then, attack!
Ah!
I think this one. There's Hunter. Ito, bakit ito? You attach this one.
Where?
The last na.
To his hand? No. No. Attack! Attack the brain.
And that.
Squirrel. It can up, down, up, down. I like it. But I like it and don't like this. Because the first one is like his minion. I think this is the boss. So, bye-bye. This is the end of the video. And watch out for more videos. Bye!